Okay, so we're in your Google Classroom, and your teacher wants you to add an assignment. So we hit this arrow from the bottom. Oh, we should show it again, actually. See this arrow sticking up in the bottom center of the screen? You're going to select it, and then two options come up. The purple one says mark is done. We're not finished yet.
Done.
So the white one says add attachment. That's the one on the top. Select that button. Okay, now there's lots of options here, but we want to scroll down just a little, and it says new docs. It has a blue icon to the left of it. Yeah, select that. Perfect. So you'll see a little bar come up at the bottom. It's making a document for you to work in. Ooh, and it called it your name, math. Great. So in the bottom right corner, there's a little pencil and a circle that allows us to edit. So now we have all these features. And what's neat, because we're on the iPad, yeah, you can do your voice to text here. So click on that button that has a microphone in the bottom left corner of your screen. Great, so click it and say, just we can always just hit the back button if we make a mistake. And we can start from pencil. We don't even have to say pencil again. Give me 1 second, okay, bud?